Hey friends, if Amazon Prime Video app is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So search for Prime in the Windows search bar and go to the Prime Video application. Don't click on it. Click on app settings in the right pane. Now wait. Scroll down and then select terminate. Click on repair and wait till it repairs the app. And wait till you get a tick mark here. Click on reset and then click on reset once again and wait till you get a tick mark here. If that doesn't help, then uninstall and remove it. Once it is uninstalled, search for store in the Windows search bar, go to the Microsoft Store, search for Prime in the in the search bar, go to Prime Video for Windows, click on install and let it install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.